welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Okay, so in this video today, I'm going to be making a quick lasagna. So come on with me, guys. Now, I hadn't had lasagna in a while, and everything I used to make this, it just seemed to go by so quickly. So I had this done in I would say 40 minutes tops. So to me, that's still quick and easy. Now, this video is a part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. Quick and Easy Meals is every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Guys, there's no rules. You can go ahead and do breakfast, lunch, dinner, desserts. You can do smoothies. You can do bulletproof coffees. You can do anything. Grill outside. It's going to be so much fun. Here at Quick and Easy Meals, we would love to have you join us. So hosting in this collaboration is Simply Grace Lifestyle or the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. That's myself. And then we have Jean Home Decor and More, and Deborah Cabasa Home Living. Now, as in all collaborations, I ask you to practice YouTube etiquette. Now, did you know that clicking the like button and full watching a video, even sharing the video, this helps me to grow, and commenting below just lets us know how you're enjoying the video. Now make sure and head on over to Jean Home Decor and More's channel and Deborah Cabasa Home Living. Both of them do cooking, they do home decor, and especially tablescapes. Guys, you will not be disappointed. They put out some amazing content. Let them know that I sent you. Now, I'm not a gourmet cook, but I have to feed my family. So I'm going to put in a little bit of olive oil here, cut up some sweet onion, and then I went ahead and I browned the ground beef. And then we're going to go ahead and just add a jar of sauce and let that simmer for about a good 20 minutes. Now, I did mean 20 minutes after you brown the beef. So you want to brown that in the pan, and then you want to add the sauce, and then you want to cover it and mix everything together before covering it and let that simmer for 20 minutes. That's what I meant. would love for you to head on over to my community tab, where there I host a calendar of collaborations for the month, and it changes every month, and that can be so much fun, guys. It also helps us to grow. The more we jump in together, we also get to meet other content creators, and there's so much that we can learn from them as well as how much they can learn from us. Now I found that I had a container of ricotta cheese in my refrigerator, so we're definitely going to incorporate that. I usually put in a lasagna what I have, and yeah, we were so blessed. We had ricotta cheese. So in the ricotta cheese, I do season it with salt, pepper, garlic, and oregano. The same thing I put inside of my sauce, and mix that all in together because we're going to start layering. And like I said, I purchased the oven ready lasagna noodles, and I like them, guys. I think they save you so much time, and yeah, you're gonna see when I get up to that. Okay, so we are starting to layer here. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of sauce on the bottom, layer those oven ready noodles, and then put ricotta cheese, mozzarella cheese, and the meat. And then I'm gonna repeat that again for one more layer. And it's gonna go in the oven, guys. And make sure and check it every 5 to 10 minutes to make sure those noodles are soft. I put a cover over it. So I put some aluminum foil over it and spray the aluminum foil so that nothing sticks. Okay, so this is almost done here. It's gonna go in the oven. Now, doesn't that look absolutely amazing? It's only for my son and I cannot wait to dig into this. Let's head on over to the reveal. Doesn't that look absolutely amazing? I am so happy with myself. I'm sure my son is going to love this because I already tasted it. Now, make sure and head on over to Jean Home Decor and More and Deborah Cabasa Home Living's channel. You won't be disappointed, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.